guys, it's Professor Lavoie again. This is the orientation video. This goes along with your orientation module. And basically this is just an overview of what is due for your orientation module. So by Thursday of this week, you'll need to complete the following things. The first one is the course overview video. So I think that's about 13-14 minutes. Make sure you watch that. There's also the professor introduction video. So that video just tells you a little bit about myself so you know who's on the other side of the screen. And then in addition to that, you have this overview video, which should be helpful, and you have an orientation lecture. So this lecture is PowerPoint and it's video, and it's fairly short. It just gives you an idea of how we got to where we are historically and what this field is as you move into the first week of content. In addition to that, and perhaps most importantly, please go to the course information and syllabus and make sure that you read that and understand that as much as you can for two reasons. The first one is because part of this orientation module is also a syllabus quiz. So you're going to want to make sure to do as well on that as possible. It's 4 points. But the reason that I do that is so that it encourages you to not only read it carefully, but to, if you have any questions, to make sure to ask those as soon as possible so that we can clarify anything that might not be so clear in that syllabus. So you'll have that to do. Also, there's kind of a get to know you component of this orientation module. So if you haven't recently, it'd be nice if you updated your Canvas profile so your classmates and myself can see a little bit about you. In addition, there is a discussion post for orientation, and that's just a little get to know you type of post. So just follow the instructions and post, and I'll be on there and your classmates will be on there so that we can all get to know each other better, which like I've said in the other videos is important in an online class, that we get to know each other and we feel actually like a classroom community. So there will be that discussion post as well. So to recap for this Thursday, you should watch the course overview video, the professor introduction video, the orientation lecture, read the syllabus and course information document, take the quick quiz on the syllabus, and then also introduce yourself on the discussion boards and on your Canvas profile if you haven't done that recently. So if you have any questions about what needs to be done by Thursday, please let me know. And as soon as you get done with those things, you do not have to wait till Thursday. That's just the deadline. In fact, I encourage you to get those things done as quickly as possible and get them out of the way, because as soon as you're done, you can move on to week one's content. So there will be another module. It'll be week one's module, and within that there will be a brief video about what's due. There'll also be a written checklist about what's due, and then you'll also have the access to the assignments for that week through that module. So this is for orientation, and I will see you soon.